What if that bowl of lentils you believe is nourishing your body is actually working against you? For countless adults beyond their 60s, lentils create silent problems nobody talks about: digestive discomfort, mineral depletion, mysterious fatigue after seemingly healthy meals. Here is the truth most people never discover. Lentils themselves are not harmful. They can powerfully support your heart, stabilize blood sugar, and strengthen digestion, but only when prepared and combined correctly. As decades pass, our bodies transform. Digestion becomes slower. Nutrient absorption weakens. Foods that once felt light now create heaviness and bloating. Today, we reveal the hidden lentil errors countless seniors repeat daily without awareness. More importantly, you will learn gentle, practical solutions that transform lentils into true allies for your health and vitality. Share your age and location below. This community grows stronger through shared wisdom, and your experience matters. Now let us begin. 1. Cooking without soaking first. This remains the most widespread lentil mistake among older adults, quietly causing significant digestive distress. Many believe lentils require no soaking because they cook rapidly. Compared to other legumes, this holds true. However, quick cooking does not equal easy digestion, particularly after 60. Lentils naturally contain compounds called phytates and tannins. These substances attach to essential minerals including iron, calcium, and zinc, blocking proper absorption. Additionally, lentils carry complex carbohydrates called oligosaccharides. Aging digestive systems struggle breaking these down. The familiar result follows: bloating, gas, abdominal pressure, that heavy, uncomfortable sensation lingering hours after eating. Some assume extended cooking resolves this. Unfortunately, heat alone cannot fully neutralize these compounds. Here is the solution that creates remarkable difference. Soak lentils for 8 to 12 hours before cooking. Use generous water with either fresh lemon juice or apple cider vinegar added. This mild acidity breaks down phytates and activates enzymes, making lentils gentler on digestion. After soaking, rinse thoroughly, then cook normally. People making this single change often notice surprising improvements within days: reduced gas, lighter digestion, improved energy, fewer stomach complaints. Consider soaking as giving your digestive system advanced preparation. When digestion receives support, lentils begin working for your strength rather than against your gut. 2. Eating lentils without vitamin C foods. This mistake produces no immediate loud symptoms, which explains why it remains unnoticed. Yet over time, it silently drains energy, weakens immunity, and contributes to persistent fatigue. Lentils provide excellent iron content, but they contain non-heme iron. Unlike iron from meat, non-heme iron proves much harder for bodies to absorb, especially after 60, when stomach acid and digestive efficiency naturally decline. Research consistently demonstrates that vitamin C can triple non-heme iron absorption. Without it, even nutrient-rich lentil meals deliver only fractions of their potential benefits. Another hidden concern exists. Many people enjoy lentils alongside tea or coffee. These beverages contain tannins that actively block iron absorption. Consuming them within 1 hour of lentil meals dramatically reduces iron uptake. The solution proves simple yet powerful. Always pair lentils with natural vitamin C sources: fresh lemon juice squeezed over lentil soup, tomatoes cooked into dishes, bell peppers, a small citrus salad alongside. Simultaneously, avoid tea or coffee for at least 60 minutes before and after eating lentils. This small timing adjustment alone can improve energy levels and overall iron status over time. Consider lentils like locked treasure. Vitamin C serves as the key. Without it, nutrients remain trapped. With it, your body finally accesses what lentils were designed to provide. 3. Repeatedly reheating throughout the week. This habit appears practical and healthy, yet quietly works against digestion and nutrient preservation. Many cook large lentil batches on weekends, reheating the same pot repeatedly across following days. Each reheating cycle subtly changes the food in ways that matter significantly for older digestive systems. Lentils contain B vitamins, particularly folate and B6, supporting energy and brain function. These vitamins remain heat-sensitive. Every reheating destroys portions of these nutrients. By third or fourth reheating, lentils still appear filling but no longer deliver equivalent metabolic support. Additionally, as lentils cool and reheat repeatedly, their starch structure transforms. For many seniors, this increases gas production and bloating. The solution involves smarter preparation. Cook lentils once, then immediately portion into single-serving containers. Refrigerate what you will consume within 48 hours. Freeze the remainder. When reheating, warm only what you plan eating and heat thoroughly throughout. Even better, use lentils in varying forms rather than reheating identical dishes repeatedly. Warm stew one day, fresh salad the next, blended spread another day. Variety reduces digestive strain while keeping meals satisfying. 4. Adding processed meats for flavor. This mistake remains deeply rooted in tradition, making it particularly concerning after 60. Many households cook lentils with sausages, bacon, or cured meats, creating hearty, satisfying dishes. However, metabolically, this combination works against your heart, gut, and blood vessels. Lentils are naturally anti-inflammatory, rich in soluble fiber and plant compounds that calm digestion and support cholesterol balance. Processed meats do the opposite. They contain excessive sodium, nitrites, and compounds that increase inflammation. When consumed together, the inflammatory burden from processed meat cancels many lentil benefits. After 60, bodies detoxify sodium and nitrites less efficiently. Blood vessels become more pressure-sensitive. Single servings of cured meat can deliver nearly entire daily sodium allowances. The solution maintains protein without harm. Choose clean protein partners instead: skinless poultry, eggs prepared simply, fresh fish added after cooking, tofu or tempeh, small handfuls of nuts or seeds. Build flavor through caramelized onions, garlic, cumin, bay leaf, smoked paprika, or fresh herbs. Depth without inflammation. 5. Using commercial seasonings and flavor cubes. Most commercial seasoning cubes and sauces contain extreme sodium levels, often delivering 700 to 1200 milligrams in single additions. After 60, sodium sensitivity increases while kidneys filter more slowly. These products frequently contain artificial flavor enhancers and preservatives that overstimulate nerve receptors. Many seniors experience headaches, water retention, restless sleep, or unexplained fatigue after such meals. Build flavor traditionally instead. Garlic, onion, ginger, bay leaf, cumin, turmeric, fresh or dried herbs, black pepper, lemon juice at the end. These ingredients support digestion, reduce inflammation, and enhance mineral absorption rather than creating stress. 6. Eating lentils without fats or vegetables. Many prepare lentils with nothing beyond water and salt, believing simplicity automatically means healthy. But lentils consumed alone fall short of their healing potential. Without added fats, bodies struggle absorbing fat-soluble nutrients. Digestion becomes less efficient. Nutrients pass through unused. Vegetables provide antioxidants and additional fiber types, feeding wider ranges of beneficial gut bacteria. Lentils alone feed only narrow microbial groups. The nourishing approach includes healthy fats, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, ground flaxseed, walnuts, combined with colorful vegetables, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, bell peppers. This transforms lentils from filler food into balanced, satisfying meals, supporting steady energy throughout your day. 7. Overconsumption and daily reliance. Once someone learns lentils benefit health, eating them daily at every meal becomes tempting. However, more is not always better after 60. Lentils are extremely fiber-dense. When eaten too frequently or in excessive portions, that fiber can overwhelm aging digestive systems. The result becomes bloating, gas, and unpredictable digestion. Additionally, when lentils dominate diets daily, natural compounds can gradually interfere with mineral absorption over time. The healthier approach involves moderation and rotation. Lentils work best consumed 2 to 3 times weekly, not daily. On alternate days, rotate with chickpeas, black beans, or other quality proteins. Portion sizes should remain around half to 1 cup cooked lentils, paired with vegetables and healthy fats. Eating lentils correctly. Soak 8 to 12 hours with lemon juice or vinegar. Rinse thoroughly. Cook gently with digestive spices like cumin, ginger, and turmeric. Always pair with vitamin C sources. Add healthy fats. Build complete plates with colorful vegetables. Respect frequency limits of 2 to 3 times weekly. Store and reheat smartly in single portions. Lentils themselves are not problematic. Preparation and combination methods create issues. When eaten without soaking, paired incorrectly, overloaded with processed ingredients, or consumed excessively, lentils quietly drain energy and irritate digestion. But when prepared intentionally, they become profoundly nourishing foods supporting your body after 60. This represents the philosophy of Wellness Wisdom Channel. Health emerges not from eliminating foods, but understanding them. Small, consistent adjustments create powerful results over time. If this helped you view lentils differently, share your thoughts below. Your experience might help someone else avoid years of silent frustration. Subscribe to Wellness Wisdom so you never miss upcoming guidance. Every week, we transform everyday foods and habits into simple science-supported choices, helping you remain strong and energized as years pass. Remember, aging well requires not doing more, but doing things smarter. Your body always responds when given proper signals.